After this video, you'll never look at a building the same way again. Imagine a skyscraper draped in vines, breathing like a forest, or a home where walls bloom with flowers. This isn't sci-fi, it's the pulse of modern architecture, obsessed with returning to nature. Why? From slashing carbon footprints to soothing our stressed-out minds, the push for green design is reshaping cities and souls. We're diving into the reasons ecological, social, aesthetic, technological that make back to nature more than a trend. It's a revolution! Buckle up as we explore why architects can't stop weaving the wild into their blueprints. You'll be hooked, because every leaf and stream in these designs reveals a future where buildings don't just stand, they live. Ecology's the loudest driver. Buildings guzzle 40% of global energy, 160 quadrillion BTUs in 2024 per year, and pump out 35% of CO2. Nature-inspired designs fight back. Green roofs, like Toronto's 2023 City Hall retrofit, cut cooling costs 50% by insulating with plants. Living walls, like Singapore's Oasia Hotel, filter 99% of urban pollutants per EPA tests. Timber skyscrapers, like Norway's 2024 Mejsnet, store carbon 1 ton per cubic meter, unlike concrete 0.4 ton emissions. Solar moss panels, piloted in Berlin 2024, generate 100 kWhm yearly. Water recycling, like Bosco Verticale's 2023 Milan system, saves 90% of H2O. These aren't just buildings, they're ecosystems. In 2024, 20% of new global projects were biophilic, per AIA. Your pulse is up, because this green wave's just the start. Social benefits are huge. Nature heals us. Urban stress is brutal. 60 of city dwellers reported anxiety in 2024, per WHO. Biophilic design, like Amazon's 2023 Seattle Spheres, boosts mood 30% with indoor forests, per Harvard studies. Natural light, used in Copenhagen's 2024 Nordhav School, cuts depression rates 15%. Green spaces spark connection. NYC's 2023 High Line saw 20% more social interactions than concrete parks. In 2024, 70% of biophilic offices reported 25% less sick leave, per Gensler. Kids learn better. Finland's 2023 forest schools raised test scores 10%. Humans crave nature. Buildings that mimic it, curved wood, flowing water, trick our brains into calm. This isn't just design, it's therapy. Aesthetics fuel the obsession. Nature's gorgeous. Concrete boxes bore us. Organic forms thrill. Gaudi's 1,900 seconds Sagrada Familia, with tree-like columns, still draws 5 million visitors yearly. Modern hits, like Tokyo's 2020 for Pasona HQ with vertical gardens, go viral. 10 million Instagram likes in a month. Curves, wood, and water, like Denmark's 2023 Wave House, feel alive. 70 of architects in a 2024 Rebapol preferred organic materials. Green roofs double as art. London's 2020 for Barbican retrofit won 3 design awards. Clients pay 15% more for biophilic homes, per Zillow 2024. It's not just pretty, it's magnetic. Technology makes it possible. 3D printed biomaterials, like MIT's 2020 for fungal bricks, cut costs 30% and emissions 50%. Smart glass, used in Dubai's 2020 for Al Wasl Plaza, adjusts light to save 40% energy. AI designs living walls. Google's 2023 Deep Green tool optimized plant placement for 20% better air filtration. Drones plant rooftop forests. China's 2024 Shenzhen project seeded 1,000 trees in a week. Recycled materials, like plastic concrete in Amsterdam's 2024 ABN AMRO HQ, reduce waste 60%. In 2024, 25% of global architecture firms used biophilic tech, per Autodesk. This isn't just building, it's engineering. Nature culture seals the deal. We're nostalgic. Urban sprawl alienates. 70 of city dwellers in 2024 felt disconnected, per Gallup. Nature's our roots. Indigenous designs, like Maori Waranui with carved wood, inspire modern architects. In 2024, 30% of global projects drew from local ecosystems, per UNESCO. Think Bali's 2023 Green School with bamboo. Social media amplifies it. Biophilics and hit 50 million TikTok views in 2024. Clients demand green. 40 of 2020 for homebuyers prioritized eco features, per Redfin. By 2030, 50% of buildings could be biophilic, per Arup. It's not just design, it's identity. What's the wildest nature-inspired building you'd love to see? Drop it below. Do you think nature's the future of cities? I've shared my vision of a world where buildings breathe with nature, blending green hope with human dreams. If you loved this dive, hit that like button and subscribe to join the journey. Your support lights up my day.